Guys, it's your man Super Luigi Hall, and I've got to lubricate my cube. Here we go. Yeah, that should be enough. But yeah, this is the Rubik's brand. As you can see, it looks like the new adjustable version. And just in case there was any lubricant stuck in it still, I just had to tap it out, okay? So don't get mad at me. Because sometimes this really does happen. Oh, it leaked out on blue. Wait, let me just check if there's any leaks. Yeah, no leaks on that side now. After shaking it up. Give me 1 sec, guys, and I'll be right back. But yeah, I enjoy cubing all of it. I'm just saying comments, okay? But if you do get the Rubik's brand speed cube, the new one, not the old one. Well, if you do have the old one, try and figure out a way to disassemble it and then reassemble it, because it could be very useful. The reason I say this is because those cubes are very slow compared to this Rubik's brand. I'd say it's a lot more faster. But yeah, I do enjoy a bit of my cubing. Plus, it's just a huge fun time for me. You don't believe me? Ask some of the cubers who think this is fun. Oh, it's just WD-40 everywhere now. I can't even name how much WD-40 there is on this desk. But yeah. Okay. Okay, if you can't see the cube, then don't whinge to me, okay? Oi, stay. It's hard to train these puppies to stay because they're very energetic. But yeah. And plus, me, myself, and Pi, I'm a huge fan of his work. I can't even describe how good his work is, because it's just that good. Give me 1 sec, guys. Pause. Okay, guys. Guess what? This Rubik's brand is very fun to play with. And plus, shout out to Chocolate Boy for getting at least one side of the Rubik's Cube solved each and every day. Plus, go subscribe to his channel if you haven't already. I might leave a link in the description below for his channel. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, now I had to loosen the tensions a bit so that it's easier to lubricate this cube. And also so that no WD-40 would have gotten on this cube. Okay? Now this is the adjustable version, like I said. So yeah. So it could be taken apart and that. Oh, I forgot it's 2 corners first then the edge. Okay? Not two pieces like the corner and the edge first, then the other corner. It's the 2 corners and the edge first. And it sometimes need a low force. Now, I've had to loosen the tensions for that, so I'm just going to give them a quick tighten after I break in this lubricant. As I can see, it is very greasy yet very quick. Can't even describe how quick it already is now. But it could use a bit more. Now, this is my first lube video. And the reason I'm breaking it in with a paper towel is because just in case WD-40 gets on it. You can just see this side. I should have just taken out the 3 edges, right? That's not how I operate. Sometimes you got to take out the full thing to lubricate. Now, in one flick it can almost do a U-turn. So let me just tighten the tensions and tell you what I think of it afterwards. See you in the next scene. Not what I was expecting from WD-40 ever since I first tried it, but it's okay. One flick, one flick, one flick, one flick. So it just does the general one flick move. But, ew. Okay, sorry if you had to hear that noise, but yeah. Guys, I enjoy this cube. I won't be able to do a quick solve because this is my first time doing a Will It Lube video. Sort of like QB time, but not copying his content. Although he makes super good content. Shout out to QB time because he makes great content. That's why he deserves a shout out. Okay, so I'm just gonna wrap it up in this huge clump of paper towels until it's fixed back to its original state, but yeah. Okay, now that might be a bit more clean already. Let's put a teeny bit more in. Dang it. This is hard to do sometimes, you know. Sometimes it's very easy, but I do enjoy doing this for you guys. Okay, so one side has been lubricated. Let's do the other. Great. Great! If any of you watched Super Mario Logan, you might know who I did the impression of. And that impression was of Jeffy. Or should I say JP, from Jeffy the Rapper. And when Jeffy got shot in that video, I felt super bad for Jeffy. I just felt like Toad should have been the one who got shot in that video. But yeah, I do hope you enjoy this content on my channel. But yeah. Is just background noise of the neighbors. But yeah. Please do forgive that, okay? Now that I had to have that pretty long pause, I am sorry YouTube, but I just had to lube the cube. And I'm sorry it took so long. And I promised I would show you, but there was background noises that I couldn't put up with. You see? So I just thought, meh, why not lubricate the cube without noise, you see? Just to get all that WD-40 off, I'm just going to shake up my cube. Now, these are very hard to solve, so don't get me wrong, they're pretty fun. But, you know, after lubricating the cube, you get almost a U2 in one flick. Well, that was all. Thanks for watching. Peace out.